Welcome back, woodpeckers. Martin Jensen here. Today I will make a home for the silent assassin of the forest, the owl. Because of modern forestry, the owls are losing their habitats, which are normally big holes in trees. One of my neighbors on the other side of the lake, he told me that he used to hear a tawny owl behind our house. And so by making a nesting box for owls, I might have a chance of attracting it back. I also checked out a website that do some owl spotting, and they say that there had been sightings within 7 kilometers of my area, that there are tawny owls around. So with all this information at hand, I believe it's worth trying to invite them back. Yeah, so you might be thinking, what do you need an owl for, man? And I'm thinking, I'm a lazy guy and I don't want to hunt mice and rats and put out poison and stuff. I want to use nature to take care of that stuff. And the owls are expert mice and rat hunters, so that is why I want one around. Fun facts about the owl is that its eyes, they cannot move them from side to side like we can. They're stuck in the skull, so that's when they look at you, they gotta turn their head. But their head can like swivel 180 to 270 degrees, so I don't think they have a problem with that. And now it's time to make the bottom and the roof for the house. Yeah, so earlier I talked about the owl being the silent assassin. Well, its feathers are made in a way so it has like a super silent flight. It has sharp claw-like daggers to grip on to the animals, and it sees 10 times better in the dark than us mere mortals. Plus, it has a hearing that can pinpoint an animal just by hearing, and it can hear a mouse underneath the snow. And that is why the owl is the perfect hunter that I need where I live. The owls has a myth that they are supposed to be wise, but I heard that they're not, and I also seen an owl getting stuck in a soccer net. So yeah, that might kill a couple of myths surrounding the owl as the wise bird of the nature. In order to attract an owl, it's all about habitat and a box. This box is 30 deep, 30 wide, 60 centimeters high, and a 13 centimeter hole for a medium-sized owl. 15 centimeters of sawdust in the bottom, and you put it 5 meters up a tree, and you should set it 20 to 30 meters away from where people walk, so they don't get attacked by the mama owl when the babies are in the box. The owls can grow to become 21 years old, and the tawny owl is not a migratory bird, so if I get my guardian here, he's most likely to stick around for a while. But it's summertime now, and they move in during spring, so it'll be quite a wait until it might show up. But I can't wait to hear the hoots of an owl close by. Take care, and please subscribe to keep my channel alive. See you next Thursday on WoodTube.